Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft using Opera GX's unique features. First, you can significantly boost your game's performance. By using the RAM limiter, you free up valuable system memory, ensuring Minecraft runs more smoothly. Similarly, the CPU limiter allows you to dedicate more processing power directly to your game, preventing lag. Plus, the network limiter helps maintain a stable connection for online play, reducing latency. Beyond performance, Opera GX enhances your overall gaming experience. You can easily organize all your Minecraft-related tabs, like guides and wikis, using workspaces for quick access. The integrated Discord and Twitch panels mean you can chat with friends or follow streamers without leaving your browser. Furthermore, the GX Corner keeps you updated with the latest gaming news, releases, and exclusive deals, all in one convenient place. Opera GX also allows for deep personalization and enhanced security. You can customize your browser with a wide array of unique themes, sound effects, and background music to match your gaming setup. For privacy, the built-in free VPN service helps protect your online identity and data. Additionally, the integrated ad blocker ensures a cleaner, faster browsing experience by stopping intrusive advertisements and trackers. Finally, Opera GX provides quick access to all your gaming resources. You can pin important Minecraft websites, like texture pack repositories or server lists, directly to the sidebar for instant navigation. The video pop-out feature is perfect for watching tutorials or streams while you're in-game. This integration helps you stay informed and connected with the Minecraft community, making your overall experience much more streamlined.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.